Hi, I'm Rhoda. I'm a certified photo manager and the creator of Dig Your Photos, a DIY print photo organizing kit. This past week, I was at a conference called the Photo Managers Conference in San Diego, where everyone who belongs, leaders in our industry, come together to network, talk about how we run our businesses, share our workflows, and also learn all the new apps coming down the pike. And I did have a table and I did a sponsorship for Dig Your Photos. Everybody really loved the whole concept and how it's put together, but what I didn't realize, and I thought it was common knowledge, is that this was fully my idea, my baby. I grew it from infancy to fill a gap in the market, really, to empower people at home, all of you, to organize your own print photos in an easy and fun way. And I really think I achieved that. But also what people didn't know is that I created every aspect of Dig Your Photos. So there are no surprises and nowhere where you're gonna go wrong. So right down to designing the box, the shape, how it looks, how you open it, affirmations, all the way to engineering the insert in the box so when it's shipped, nothing gets jostled around. I also worked long and hard on the copy for these recipe cards so that there's no mistake on what each of the 4 steps entail and what you need to do. I also sourced each of the components in the sense of this recipe card is made of double thick cardstock, and so it will last the test of time. I did a lot of testing of different materials and I think I picked the best of the best. So Dig Your Photos is not going to be the reason you do not organize your print photos. It makes a great gift, and if you run into trouble, all you have to do is send an email to info@digyourphotos.com. I will answer it. It's my baby. I want you to succeed. So head on over to Dig Your Photos today and buy a box for yourself and buy one for your mom, your sister or your aunt, or your uncle, father, or brother.